What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Apple with the ticker symbol AAPL. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So Apple really hasn't been doing much in the short term, basically just going back until early March. Very choppy looking, just sideways trading. You see that's fighting resistance right around the 176 level, finding support at the 168, and it's just kind of choppy back and forth between these two price levels. So there was a failed breakout lower. Price went up to the top of the range, got rejected, and we came back down. We do have earnings report coming out tomorrow just after market close. So this can definitely lead to a large drop or a large gap up. We'll have to wait and see. But let's go over more price action analysis, figure out what's going to most likely happen. Overall, this is still looking like it's in a downtrend. So we could maybe draw a channel for the swings right here. Drag that across. And go and adjust a little bit better. So it looks like there's some sort of downtrend channel in play as of right now. And we're finding consolidation at this prior support levels. So you can see there's strong support right here at the lows of the range, because price bounced back over here in the past. So bounced over here for support, went up, went on the top, well, trended higher, found resistance at the $200 level, sold off, and now we're consolidating at the lows of this support level. So let's see if we can come back all the way up to the $200 level. Maybe it's a big style range, meaning we go from the highs to lows, lows to the highs, something like that. We'll have to wait and see. First, price needs to break outside of the 176 level, something like that, and then stay above it. So if it does see a correction, the correction needs to stay above it and find support and continue higher. So that's one possibility. Another possibility is price doesn't find support here and we just continue to break down lower. So we'll see how this develops. As right now, it's looking more likely that we break out to the upside. You can see that this was a measure move down right here. This is one leg down right here. This was the first attempt by the bears that failed. This was the second attempt by the bears that failed. And now we're seeing basically the final push down that looks like it's failing. So this could lead to a nice gap up by the buyers. So let's see what happens. As right now, we are at support. This could lead to a trend reversal because price has been dropping basically since the beginning of this year. And we'll see if this leads to a trend reversal or not. So that's what I see on the daily chart. Let's take a look at the weekly chart, see what else we can find for Apple. On the weekly chart, it shows that, price had a nice run up. Let's see if we could draw a trend line off of the swings right here. And that tells me that, there is room to the downside to this trend line right here. So if we do get that gap down, where can price go? Probably back down to the mid 100s, probably right around the 157 level. That's where the measurement target is currently too, at the 151. So it makes sense that, if the price does gap down, it will be reaching this measurement target and the support side of, and the trend line support. This one right here off the two swings. So there's space right here for the measurement target and the trend line. So it's just wait and see. Nothing is guaranteed as right now. Price is deciding on what it wants to do. It's just trading sideways. Buyers and sellers are in balance, with small imbalances, as the days go on. But overall, the imbalance is still towards the downside, and we'll see if the bulls can switch gears towards the upside. As right now, if I were to say who is it favoring, it's still favoring the bears because we have this downward momentum in play, and we're just taking a break right now at support. And we'll see if this fails or not. So again, that's all I have for Apple on the daily weekly charts. Basically, traders were waiting for that earnings report to figure out what's going to happen, if we're going to still look for more downside or we're going to look for more upside. So we'll have to wait and see. Price has been just trading sideways for the past couple of months now. So that's all I have for Apple on the daily weekly charts. Not much else to say. Overall, it's still, in an uptrend overall, basically dating back till, 2019, even, longer term. But in the short term, maybe a couple weeks out, couple months out, it looks like it can drop lower to the mid 100s, 150. So that's all I have for Apple on the daily weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.